In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you how you can earn Ethereum daily, pay directly and instantly into your own Ethereum wallet, just like thousands of people around the world. Introducing the world's first 100% decentralized matrix project, programmed under an Ethereum smart contract called Forsage, where 100% of the income goes directly and transparently to the members of the project with zero risk. Forsage's genius and lucrative matrix marketing plan is programmed on the Ethereum blockchain with revolutionary smart contract technology that executes the program automatically in a decentralized way. So no admins are needed to run the project. It's impossible for project creators or anyone to change the code and execution of the smart contract, and that is extremely powerful. It is assured that the project will keep on running and there's zero risk or possibility of hacking into the smart contract or stopping the project. Unlike centralized cryptocurrency projects, the founders of Forsage never take or store members' cryptocurrency in any centralized location, so it is completely secure. 100% of all Ethereum payments are sent instantly and directly to the members of Forsage and stored in their personal Ethereum wallets, controlling their own private keys. You can easily verify all of the transactions on the Ethereum blockchain as the project is fully transparent. Right now, over 3,000 people are joining the Forsage project worldwide every single day. With Forsage's decentralized project, you could start with as little as 0.05 Ethereum and the income potential are literally unlimited. Started at February 2020, Forsage has helped thousands of people in Ethereum, and some have earned hundreds of Ethereum in their first 3 to 8 weeks of getting started. Like the following Forsage members: ID 8679 earned 379 Ethers, ID 8648 earned 301 Ethers, ID 64 earned 466 Ethers, ID 1 earned 843 Ethers, ID 7977 earned 299 Ethers, ID 113 earned 209 Ethers, and by the time you check these IDs publicly on the blockchain, they will have earned even more Ethereum. Thanks to the powerful and lucrative Forsage Matrix spillover plan, it is possible to earn Ethereum even without referring anyone to the project. Just like, for example, ID 11181 who earned 28 Ethers and ID 20920 who earned 24 Ethers with zero referrals. How does Forsage work? Forsage is a closed system without deadlines, with limited number of places and unlimited number of re-entries. All members have referral links and new referrals join both programs at the same time. This is a 2-in-1 program system. The first program is called Forsage X3 and the second program is called Forsage X4. X3 start with you and the people you personally refer. 3 places in the first line. X4 is team building. 2 places on your first line and 4 places on your second line. Let's look at X3. All partners in your slots of the X3 program are your personally referred partners. When you invite partners that take places under you, the distribution of payments when filling out the matrix automatically occurs as follows. The first referral partner takes a place under you. 100% of the payout goes to your personal wallet. The second referral partner takes second place below you. Payment is also instantly credited to your personal wallet. The third partner takes third place below you. Again, you receive 100% of the income, but in the form of a reinvest. Reinvest opens the same slot for you again, and you continue to receive income from it. Reopening the slot, you take the next free place in your partner's slot. Accordingly, 100% of the reinvestment is transferred to your upline. In order for your income to grow, you need to activate the next level. This is called an upgrade. If the next level is not purchased by you, you will be blocked from earning additional income until you do so. Remember, you've already doubled your Ethereum on the first level. The Ethereum is in your personal wallet. you will have enough Ethereum to purchase level 2 without going into your pocket. By leveling up in the system, you are now creating an opportunity for yourself to double up your income. The system will indicate to you when it's time to upgrade to the next level when this icon appears. When you upgrade to the next level, you then qualify to earn Ethereum at the higher level, while still earning Ethereum on the previous level. All your personal referrals will follow you. As soon as there are 3 places filled, a re-entry occurs, 100% of which immediately goes back to you, creating a chain reaction, and you get paid directly into your wallet. Its principle is one of the advantages of a decentralized project. All payments go to your wallet and you never have to worry about withdrawing or confirming funds. Let's take a look at X4. X4 is the team building. In parallel, the X4 program also works for you. Here, an overflow system is organized from above and from below. Here we are building a team together. You have 2 people on your first level and 4 people on your second level. The first 2 people invited by your referral link take 2 places below you in your line. 100% of the payment goes to your higher upline. The next 3 numbers, 3, 4 and 5, goes to you. You receive 100% of the payments from the 4 partners of your second line. 3 payments go to your wallet and the 4th payment goes to re-entry to your sponsor, thus buying you the same slot again. By re-entering the system again, it gives you the opportunity to accumulate passive income over and over again on that level. The upgrade is the same as in X3. It will notify you when to upgrade to the next level. This is what you will see in your back office. Both the X3 and X4 have 12 levels. When you activate the level, you will click on the shopping cart, make your payment, thus activating that level. Each level is 2 times the cost of the previous level. As a result, the income and profits are twice as high. You can activate as many levels as you wish. The choice is yours, and unlike other systems, there are no expiration dates on these levels. Once you qualify for each position, you will continue to receive income from that position. You never have to open up more levels once all levels are activated. Optional team strategy to help you get started. Open 6 positions. In X3, open position 1, 2 and 3. And in X4, open position 1, 2 and 3. The total cost will be 0.35 Ethereum. To be safe, load 0.38 Ethereum to cover the gas charged by the blockchain. This is our most popular strategy, and it will also help you grow your team faster when everyone in your team follows the same strategy. Get back to the person who invited you to this video and start your Ethereum journey today.